Hello guys, today we're gonna solve this problem. The Maxim telephone company charges K cents for the first T minutes of the call and charges for any additional time at a rate of R cents per minute. If a certain customer pays $10, pay attention to this $10. Which of the following could be the length of the phone call in minutes? So this $10 technically means 1,000 cents, and we should keep this in mind. Now, as you can see, that's a word problem, and we have to find the period of the phone call. So, first of all, I converted $10 to 1,000 cents. And as you can see, we're going to use this formula, mx plus b, because that's a word problem for a linear function. Now, in this sense, b means the fixed amount. It means that the amount that doesn't change. That's a constant amount. Well, m is the rate of change. So technically, in this case, the rate of change would be this, r, at a rate of r cents per minute. Now, this basically, the rate of is a keyword, right? That's a signal word. So every single time you see something similar to the rate of, you should think about the slope. At the rate of, at the constant slope of, at the constant speed, velocity, all of this refer to the slope. So as you can see, I plug this in into this equation, exactly how it is. So first of all, the fixed amount. Now the fixed amount is going to be k for the first 10 minutes. So imagine t minutes would be 2 minutes, right? And you have a phone call for 8 minutes. So for the first 2 minutes, you are going to pay a fixed amount, assumingly $10. And then for the next 6 minutes, each minute you'll be paying a certain amount, less than $6. Let's say $1. So in the duration of 6 minutes, you should pay $6 for the first 2 minutes and then $1 for any additional time that you basically spend talking. Now, this is the function itself. So k is a fixed amount, and then you have basically x, which is the duration of a phone call. Now, why I'm subtracting t? I'm subtracting t to compensate for the fixed amount. Okay, and r would be our slope. This must be equal to 1,000 cents because this function generally tells us the price that you should pay. Now, I substitute in the basically everything here into that function, and then I'm simplifying down, having this form, then this form, and at the end I'm supposed to give the common divisor, and at the end I'm going to have this answer: 1,000 minus k plus rt divided by r. So the correct answer must be D, which is this. Now, this is a very typical question, and I highly encourage you to work with more of such questions, since this kind of word problems usually will be concerning the linear equations, and you should have a strong grasp of what the fixed amount represent, the rate of change, and how to represent them using this function.